Hello there, let's solve questions on addition of fractions. We have two different questions here, 1 out of 3 plus 1 out of 2. So to solve this, the first thing you have to do is to find the LCM. The LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. Good. Then let's see how many times can 3 go or goes into 6. That is 2 times. Now with that 2, go and multiply this 1 by the 2. 2 times 1 is going to give us 2. Plus, how many times does 2 goes into 6? That is 3 times 2 and 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 6. So 3 times 3, that is giving us 3. So at the end of the day, our answer is going to be 5 out of 6 as our answer. Now let's get this also to find the LCM of this particular question. Our LCM is 14, so to find that's 14. Good. So to find the LCM 14, we know it already. So 7 goes into 14 is 2. Multiply the 2 by the numerator here. 2 times 2 is giving us 4. Plus 14 goes into 14. How many times? That is 1. Multiply the 1 by the 6, and that is giving us 6. Therefore, 4 plus 6 is giving us 10 out of 14. We can reduce this value to the lowest times, and 2 goes here 5, 2 goes into that 7. So in a nutshell, it's going to give us 5 out of 7. That is how to find the addition of. Let's solve more complex one. Here the LCM of 4 and 5, remember, is 20. Right. Then 4 goes into 20 is 4. Let's multiply the 4 by 1. 4 times 1 is giving us 4. Plus 5 times what number is giving me 25 times 4. So that 4 times 2 is giving me 8. You get it? Good. So it's giving me 12 out of 20. Good. I can still reduce this value. I know 4 can't go into 12 as 3. Then 4 can still go here as 5. So at the end of the day, I have 3 out of 5 as my answer. Good. So I hope this is not difficult. But let's move to solve more complex question. Now in solving this complex question, let's see. Good. Now the first thing is to do with the whole numbers. Let's add 7, right, to the 3. 7 plus 3, that's the whole numbers, will give us 10 whole number. Good. So what it means is that we are through with the whole numbers. Therefore, we can add 1 out of 4 plus 1 out of 3. So what is the LCM of 3 and 4? It's 12. Okay. Good. So 4 goes into 12. That is 3. Let's multiply this 1 by the 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 4 multiples of what? Multiples of 3 will give you 12. That's multiples of 4. Good. So it means 3 can go into 12 4 times. 4 times 1 is 4. Good. So we are going to have 10 whole number. Good. 3 plus 4 is 7 out of 12. 4 whole number, 7 out of 12. So that is our answer to that question also. Again, you need to add the whole numbers first in order to reduce your stress. Good. So let's move to another question quickly, and I think this is going to be the last one under this particular question. And again, so let's see how, let's follow how to solve this. I said in a situation like this, to reduce your stress, just simply add the whole numbers. 5 whole number plus 12 whole number will give me 17 whole number. Right. So I have 3 out of 7 plus 1 out of 5. What's the LCM of 7 and 5? That is 35. 35 is the LCM. Good. Then 7 goes into 35. How many times? That's 5. Let's multiply by the numerator. 5 times 3 is giving us 15. Okay. Good. Plus 5 goes into 35. How many times? That's 7. Let's multiply that 7 by the numerator. 1 times 7 is giving us 7. So at the end of the day, we have 17 whole number. Let's add 15 and 7, which is giving us 22 over 35. Good. So that is our answer for today. I'm sure you followed our lesson. So you can subscribe also to our YouTube channel or call our number. Right. Then you follow to get more details. Right.